So I think it was Miracle Grow Pro Mix produced the largest, but then it was actually Happy Frog that produced the best for everything else, as in cost, production, overall. It was a 3 out of like the 4 or 5 analytic tests he did on it. So we're going to give this the old college try. I did not bring any scissors over here. Crud. So I'll just magically open this with my bare hands. I thought that would look cooler, but it didn't. I'm sorry. Alright, so this is actually the first time I've used Happy Frog. And I can tell you, well, that was probably from me being a goober. That's okay.